In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Claude AI. Before we start, make sure you can sign into both a Claude account and a GitHub account in your browser. If you're part of a company or organization, you may also need permission from an admin to connect third-party apps. With that out of the way, let's begin. Open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI. This is the quickest way to find the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Claude website. It should clearly reference Claude by Anthropic. Click that result to open the site. Once you're on the Claude website, sign in if you aren't already. On the main interface, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar or name. Click that area to open the account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where Claude keeps features that control your account, preferences, and integrations. Inside Settings, find and select the Connectors section. Connectors let Claude securely link to other services, so it can reference content with your permission. In the list of available connectors, locate GitHub. When you see it, click Connect. Your browser will guide you through GitHub's authorization flow. This is normal and ensures you're in control of what Claude can access. If prompted, sign into GitHub. You may be asked to confirm whether you're connecting a personal account or an organization and to choose which repositories to allow. For most people, selecting specific repos keeps access focused and privacy-friendly. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Claude's connectors page where GitHub should now appear as connected. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. From here, you're all set. Claude will be able to reference the repositories you granted access to, which can help with tasks like explaining code, drafting documentation, or answering questions about your project. If you ever need to change what's shared, return to the Connectors section to adjust or disconnect. To recap, we searched for Claude AI on Google, opened the official site, went to the Profile menu, selected Settings, opened Connectors, and connected GitHub by approving access. Keep your browser logged into both services for a smoother setup, and always double-check permissions before confirming. That's it. You've successfully connected GitHub to Claude AI. Thanks for watching, and happy building!